Hey guys, why don't you go ahead and take a dive with me? And what I mean by that is actually something called Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy, also known as HBOT. I had the pleasure and the honor of spending the weekend, actually 4 days, with this great doctor here, Dr. Jason Saunders, and learning about all the benefits of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Dr. Saunders is one of the foremost thought leaders in this space, and he's been doing amazing things for the advancement of hyperbaric oxygen therapy and what it can do to honestly help our community, help our families, and help you. So I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Saunders a little bit, kind of let him introduce himself and kind of explain, the benefits of hyperbaric oxygen therapy and how this may be able to help you.
Absolutely. And by the way, the pleasure is all mine. So we just finished another 4-day course. It's a 40-hour hyperbaric training certification course that we're doing a few times a year because we're really trying to get the word out about all the different benefits of hyperbaric oxygen. And we want to make sure that all the great doctors out there that are doing hyperbaric oxygen have the latest information, the most current research, the proper protocols, so that we can make sure we're doing hyperbaric oxygen and we're doing it as safely and effectively as possible. And so we just finished another great weekend. I think you learned a lot in there, and I think we had a great time.
We did,
right?
Yep, we did. And it's like knowing that we have the proper protocols in place, like you just said, is really important because I want to make sure that the people that I partner with, like that my patients, my community is getting the best of the best, and that's exactly what we're getting with this. Plus, being hooked up with the amazing network of HBOTUSA is a big deal. So no matter where you're traveling from, or if you're looking for this this treatment, this therapy, you can find great doctors who are doing this protocol properly.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And so what we talk about in the class is really pretty simple. We're using pressure, and we're using either air or enriched oxygen. But either way, there's oxygen in the air, so even when we just pressurize air or when we add oxygen to that, we're able to drive more oxygen into the body than what the body's normally able to get. Every cell inside our bodies use oxygen, except for our red blood cells. And so when we get a little bit more oxygen than what the body's typically able to get, we can see massive changes in the healing response, in tissue repair, tissue regeneration, energy production, reducing inflammation. And so there are many things that get helped by hyperbaric oxygen. I want to be crystal clear, hyperbaric oxygen is not a cure for virtually any disease. However, it does help with so many different conditions. And the reason that it does is because of that. Just oxygen is a fuel source required for cellular energy. And when we get a little bit more than what we're normally able to get, we can massively increase the body's ability to do its own job, and again, to heal and recover and regenerate. And so applying hyperbaric therapy for a wide variety of conditions seems to help a lot of patients. And then the key is not just the therapy itself, it's not just the tool, it's actually the protocols and the procedures that we put in place to make sure that this tool is being fully effective. And that's what we went through together over the last 4 days.
Proper application makes the absolute difference. It's not a one and done.
Correct.
Healing takes time and repetition, and like I said, we're giving the body the fuel source it needs to heal from the inside out.
Absolutely.
So, Dr. Saunders, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Looking forward to bringing this to our community, and looking forward to being able to help everybody out in the Quad Cities and beyond. Take care.